Hey guys, Adrian Morrison here, and in this video I want to talk about the shipping settings inside of Shopify where you can start identifying what shipping rates you want to charge customers. This is really important. It's vital to your business, so you want to make sure that you set it up the right way. Now, there are two different ways that you can set up shipping rates if you are using the free plus shipping method. Now, if you're just selling retail items online, this way right here will work perfectly fine for you. But if you're using free plus shipping, then you're gonna need to do a couple of extra little things, and there are two different ways that you can set it up. So for this video, we're gonna keep it really basic, and I'm just gonna show you the basic way to set up shipping rates. And then if you are doing free plus shipping items, which I hope you are, because I'm going to be talking a lot about that in this course, then you'll want to go and watch the video that talks about setting up your shipping rates for free plus shipping items, okay? So I want to separate out the videos so everything isn't meshed together or mushed together, and it's really simple for you to understand. So let's go into Shopify real quick. And I'm just gonna, well, we're already here in the settings. So if you come over here to the little gear at the bottom and click on settings, and then you click shipping, it's gonna bring up all of your shipping rates. And by default, this is exactly how it's gonna look. You've got your shipping from address. So you'll wanna make sure you put something in here. A lot of people use a PO box. They don't use their home address. And this would be basically your return address and your from shipping address, okay? So I just use a PO box here. And now you have shipping zones. So you have domestic, so for me domestic is US, and then you have rest of the world. And what I want you to know about shipping rates is with the basic way, there's two different ways that Shopify identifies shipping rates. One is by weight, and the second is by subtotal, or cart value, if you will. So you've got two different ways that Shopify identifies a shipping rate. Number one is by weight. Number two is by subtotal of the order, okay? So what we're gonna do is we are gonna come in here and we're just gonna delete these shipping rates, the ones that already exist, and we're gonna start on a clean slate. So we're gonna hit delete shipping rate, and we're gonna come over here and we're gonna hit delete shipping rate. And we're gonna come to international and we're gonna hit delete shipping rate, okay? I'm gonna show you why too. Now, we're gonna set up shipping like this, the basic way. If you are promoting nothing but retail items, on your store where your items actually cost at least $1, $1 to whatever. This is how you want to set it up. So you would come in here and add a shipping rate, and you'll see that they give you three options. Free shipping based off order price or order weight. So for retail items, you're going to want to do it by order price, and then you can name your shipping and handling. Now, here's a pro tip. When you are setting your shipping up this way, you can actually increase your conversion rates with the name that you put on your shipping. So when I am letting people check out on my store, if we ever lose an item or the tracking gets screwed up and they never receive their item, we personally will replace it. The stuff that we offer is so cheap. It's like if they don't get their order, it costs us like $2 to $2 or $3, and our vendors will send the order out again. So we guarantee the deliverability of our items. So because we do that, I decided to come in here and name this insured shipping, like that. Insured shipping. So by putting in the word insured, it just makes it sound better, right? It makes it sound safer, and it's another one of those things when it comes down to trust. People are giving you their money, their credit card information, they want to trust you, and just having the word insured on the page can help increase that trust factor. Believe me, over the course of $1.4, $1.5 million in sales, I've tested quite a few different words. And insured shipping does really well. And I also can call it, I've tried secured shipping. Secured is like your credit card information, your order information, everything is secured. It's just one of those psychology things. So secured or insured. All right, so I'm just going to name this insured shipping, and we'll do and handling. So insured shipping and handling, and we're going to do based off price. So we're going to say anything that costs at least 1 cent all the way up to what I do is $29.99. The shipping rate is going to be $4.95. So if somebody comes to your store and they spend anywhere from 1 penny to $29.99, then their shipping rate, their cost of shipping is going to be $4.95. So let's hit save. Okay, now you'll see it here. Boom. All right, now we want to add another shipping rate. Now we're going to do this one, same thing. We're going to do it based off of price. We're going to call it insured shipping and handling. And this one, we're going to say anywhere from $30 to $100 is going to get shipping cost of $9.95. Actually, we'll do it to $99. And you'll see why here in just a second. So anywhere from $30 to $99.99. So if somebody spends $30 to $99, the shipping rate is going to be $9.95. So it's not going to be $4.95. It's going to be $9.95. So if they spend more money, they're actually going to get charged a little bit more for shipping in this case. So let's hit save. All right, so now we have two shipping rates. If they buy anything under $30, shipping is going to be $4.95. If they buy anything between $30 and $99, their shipping rate is going to be $9.95. See, the reason I do that is because people expect for the shipping cost to go up when they're ordering more items. Because a lot of times shipping is based off of weight, right? So the more items in your cart, the more expensive the postal fees are going to be. So I'm able to scoop up a little bit of extra money in the shipping on retail items if I charge $9.95. Plus, if they do order a bunch of different items, shipping really does cost a little bit more. Now, of course, I don't have to worry about that because I do everything drop shipping. I don't ship anything myself. I don't go to the post office. I just am charging a little bit more for shipping because they're buying more stuff, and that makes sense. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to hit add another shipping rate. And we're going to have this one as free shipping. And we're going to call it free shipping in all caps, just like that. And we're going to do it based off of order price. And any order that's $100 and above, we're going to say gets free shipping. Boom, there we go. So we've got our free shipping rate. All right, and this is exactly how people are going to read it in their shopping cart when they're checking out. So what I'm doing is I'm saying anybody that spends $100 and up, I'm going to give them free shipping. It's not going to cost them anything at all for shipping on retail items because I'm rewarding them for spending $100 or above. So I'm sure you've seen a lot of stores say if you spend $75 or $100 or $150, you'll get free shipping. It's a promotional method. So we've got 3 tiers of shipping for our retail products, all right? Now, you would come in here where it says rest of the world, and you would do something very similar. However, I found that when you're shipping stuff to, or you have customers from Canada or UK, Australia, New Zealand, remember I'm in the US, they expect to pay a little bit more shipping because, you know, a lot of times stuff is coming straight out of the US or straight out of China. So shipping is going to be a little bit more expensive. So I find that rather than having the $4.95 rate, I can bypass that and watch this. I'm going to add a shipping rate, and we're going to call this based off of order price. We're going to call it insured shipping and handling. We're going to call it international insured shipping and handling, just like this, so they can see that it's international. Because see, I'm based in the US, so anybody that orders anything from me is considered an international customer. You don't have to put that in there. This is just some little things I do with my shipping rates that help increase conversion rates and help me make more money. So I'm just going to come here and put 0.01, but watch this. I'm going to bypass the $4.95 tier, and I'm just going to say, if you are international, then you're paying $9.95 shipping. Okay, so hit save. And this is expected because somebody that is international ordering something expects to pay more shipping because, hey, they're international, right? So you can scoop up a little bit more money on these international orders because typically the shipping rates are, they might be like $1 more or so, but you know, you're building in a little bit more profit into your shipping is basically what you're doing, okay? Now we want to add another shipping rate, and we're going to say same thing, free shipping, and we're going to call it international free shipping, and we're going to say anybody that orders anything that's $100 and above gets free shipping. So even the international countries, if they spend $100 or more, look, you know, we're making a ton of money if they spend $100. Sure, we'll give them free shipping, right? So that's how I ship mine up. You can do, that's not how I ship it up, it's how I set it up. You can come in here and you can do whatever you're comfortable with. But this is exactly how I have my retail shipping set up in Shopify. Now remember, if you are doing free plus shipping items, meaning the item is free and you're building all of your profit into the shipping, then you're going to want to make sure that you watch the video in this series on how to set up your shipping rates for free plus shipping offers, because there's going to be 2 videos on that, and I'm going to show you the 2 different ways that it's done. Other than that, if you're just selling retail items, this is exactly how I would recommend setting everything up. If you're doing the free plus shipping items as well, you're going to want to go watch those other videos, and you're going to want to add on to this a couple of more shipping rates, okay? It's really, really simple. I just wanted to break it into different videos for you so you could see exactly how it's done and know, more importantly, know and understand and learn why it's done that way, because the whole idea of this course is to teach you, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. You can see setting up shipping is super, super, super simple. And go ahead to the next video and you'll learn some more.